morning students. From today onwards we are going to discuss another new chapter, network cabling, that is chapter 13. These are the important topics in chapter 13. First we are going to discuss the various types of network cables and the data speed of each and every cable in detail. Then we are going to discuss the main components of Ethernet cable, and then we will discuss what do you mean by jack, what are the various types of jacks available for network connection. Finally, we are going to discuss what is crimping process and what are the three different color coding techniques available in Ethernet. That is, what are the three important wiring techniques for Ethernet cable. So these are the important topics we are going to discuss in chapter 13. Okay, let's start today's section. In today's section we are going to discuss the first topic, types of network cables. There are 6 types of network cables available. We will see one by one in detail in today's class. Before going to these types, first of all we should know the use of network cables. Network cables are networking hardware, normal wires. They are used to connect different computers in an internet. That is, it is used to connect not only computers but also different networking devices such as routers, switches, storage devices and hubs. So with the help of network cable only, the data and information will be transferred from one computer to another computer over network. So each and every cable is different from their speed and their structure. Let us discuss one by one in detail. The first one is coaxial cable. The name is got by the word coax. This cable was invented at the late of 1880s. Initially, it is used to connect the cables in television sets to home antennas. The cable is divided into thin-net and thick-net cables. So these cables have a copper wire inside with 2 types of insulation. It consists of 2 types of insulation to provide protection to the cables. So the inner layer is a copper wire. It acts as a conductor, conducting transferring data from one computer to another computer. So there is an outer layer. It acts as an insulation for the copper wire. Again, it is insulated by the aluminum or copper sheet. Again, it is insulated by plastics. So this wire is insulated by double because of protection of cable. But what is the disadvantage of this insulation and conductor? It is very difficult to maintain and install because these cables are too big and it is very difficult to carry and replace by another. Nowadays, coaxial cables are used especially for smart TV, that is dish TV, to connect set-top box with the television. Not only that, it is also used to connect computers in LAN and also MAN. So this is the data transmission speed. Coaxial cable is used to transfer the data and information in 10 Mbps, that is 10 megabits per second. So various types of coaxial cables are available. So here I display 2 examples. MediaBridge 50 feet coaxial cable, Amazon Basics CL2 rated coaxial cable. So coaxial cable is one of the type of network cable. It is used to transfer data from one system to another system, especially in LAN and MAN. The data transmission speed is 10 Mbps. Second type of cable is twisted pair cable. It is a type of cable with two or more insulated wires twisted together. Initially, it consists of only two wires, and these wires are twisted with each other. So it consists of two wires. One wire is used to transmit the data, and the other wire is the ground reference to avoid the electromagnetic interference. These two wires are twisted together and run in parallel. Typically, the diameter of this wire is 1 millimeter. Now, 8 wires are twisted and 8 wires are used to transmit the data, to increase the data transmission speed. Although the 8 wires cannot be placed in a single unit, that could be difficult in spacious, so it is twisted to make as one wire. So, to insert all the 8 wires in the single unit, these wires are twisted themselves. Not only that, to avoid the noise, because it uses copper wires and data transmission is also analog, not digital. So it is possibility of noise interference and crosstalk. To avoid the noise signal, these wires are also twisted in opposite direction. Generally, these wires are used in telephone lines and also local area networks to interconnect two computers and to transmit the data among them. So these are the speeds of twisted pair cable. So it started with the speed of 10 Mbps, 10 megabits per second. That's why that cable is called as 10 base T cable. So 10 base T cable can send the data 10 megabits per second. And to increase the speed, again the cable is improved and it is renamed as 100 base TX. This 100 base TX will transfer the data at 100 megabits per second. Again the cable, twisted pair cable is improved little more and it is again renamed as 10 G base T cable, because 10 G base T cable is able to transfer 10 gigabits per second data from one computer to another computer within LAN. So 3 different types of twisted pair cables are used. They are differ in their data speed rate. There are 2 types of twisted pair cable. One is unshielded twisted pair. Shortly it is called as UTP. And second one is shielded twisted pair. Shortly it is called as STP. UTP, that is unshielded twisted pair cable, is generally used nowadays as modern cables for internet. So UTP is especially used to connect LAN computers. Shielded twisted pair, STP, is also similar to UTP, but it is covered by an additional jacket, additional insulation to protect the wires from external interference. This is the example for STP. So there are copper wires, pairs of copper wires. These copper wires are twisted each other. Again these wires are insulated to avoid that interference, external interference, and also to avoid the noise pollutions. So there are 2 types. One is UTP, another one is STP. UTP is unshielded by external insulation, whereas STP is shielded separately. So they also generally comprises of wires and also insulators. UTP are lower in cost and the installation and maintenance is very easy when compared to coaxial cable. So coaxial cable is higher in cost when compared to twisted pair, and coaxial cable is very difficult to install and maintenance. But in this, only 2 wires are there and 8 wires are inserted in a single unit, so it is very easy to install and maintain. Okay students, in this video we have discussed two networking cable, that is coaxial cable and twisted pair. We will discuss the remaining network cables in second video.